Looking for a bike that's easy to ride and store away when you're not using it? Meet the Brompton A-Line folding bike. This awesome bike has a unique 3-part fold and is handmade with a compact, sturdy design that's perfect for commuting or adventures on the go. And when you're done riding, simply fold it and store it in your trunk or take it along when you travel. Plus, with puncture-resistant tires that have reflective sidewalls, you'll stay visible and keep moving in low-light conditions. A case is good, of course, but first you've got to make a stylish entrance. I think it's impossible to be more elegant than on the King Song KS16S. But this vehicle is not just for showing off, it's got a speed that'll make your hair stand on end. An exhilarating 28 miles per hour with an impressive range of a whopping 50 miles thanks to the massive battery. And here I think it's important to remind you once again about safety, as I recall testing a powerful scooter once and regretting it. If the speed doesn't say much to you, let me just say that the 1200-watt motor is so powerful, it handles inclines up to 30 degrees with ease. The tires, just like the footrests, are ready to provide excellent grip regardless of the type of terrain or your shoe soles. The matte coating withstands the harsh conditions of everyday riding, although greasy fingerprints might remind you of the tasty hamburger you had for lunch. And let's talk about lighting. The KS16S is equipped with 4 curved strips of 9 RGB LEDs, which not only display the battery level, but also turn your ride into a light show. Everything, of course, can be customized in the app. The cherry on top, you can sync the lights with sound because this unicycle also has built-in speakers. Listen to your favorite tunes through the 4 speakers installed on the side. And when you're not riding this futuristic marvel, maybe because you want to grab a coffee, the matte plastic handle makes transporting this 37-pound wonder easier. Although you can simply sit on the unicycle on the go. The only downside, as noted in their review on the freshly charged, is the app because it demands excessive personal info. I found the best accessories for the Cyberpunk party. This avant-garde helmet features battery-powered neon EL luminous light strips, creating that very cyberpunk vibe. Shiny stickers and magnetic V-buckles give off a futuristic vibe. As for the cushion pads, you can easily take them off for extra comfort and convenience. So that's the helmet with various animations, lots of LED light and several light modes. Don't like the ears? No problem. In this video, you see you take them off easily. You can see clearly through the visor, although it's black. Although the helmet looks hard and durable, but please don't use it as a motorcycle helmet. It's not designed for that purpose. Before time began, there was the Cube. We don't know where it comes from. Well, Autobots, this particular one is the Tank 03, specifically created by the Chinese company ACEMAGIC, and it's a mini PC. Slightly larger than typical mini PCs, its size accommodates powerful components, featuring an Intel Core i9-12900H processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics, or RTX 3080, the choice is yours, 64GB DDR5 RAM, and expandable storage options. Long story short, it's powerful and easy to use. Just plug and play. Since most mini PCs are sold as bare-bones kit, you'll need to supply your own GPU, memory, and solid-state storage, as well as a copy of Windows. The Tank 03 also boasts an advanced cooling system, ensuring efficient heat dissipation during resource-intensive tasks. As you see from the Tech Pulse 360 review, connectivity is robust with multiple ports, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. Gaming tests reveal high frame rates and stunning graphics. Priced at $1,400, it's the most pricey mini PC you can get so far, but it does combine all the features a gamer or an intense performer might need. While the Intel NUC12 Enthusiast may be the best mini PC overall, according to the Digital Trends review, and if you need numerous ports, you have to take Minis Forum Venus series, which is significantly cheaper, yet falls short in terms of power. The Tank 03 strikes a balance, delivering both impressive performance and a comprehensive set of features, making it a standout option in the mini PC landscape. Is there a big gaming session on the agenda today? Prep the screen, some food for you, and for your controllers to repel attacks and respond quickly. These are rechargeable battery packs that'll take care of the batteries. All of them work the same. There's just a slight difference in charging time, running time, and capacity. This triangular set stands out with an 1800 milliamp hour capacity, and it'll take about 3 to 3.5 hours to charge. The other one features a 2550 milliamp hour batteries that, in total, will give 100 plus hours of running time and a self-inspection function. While the first excels in design and protection, the second emphasizes capacity and quick charging. There are LED indicators that'll let you know the charging status. All the batteries are compatible with various Xbox controllers. To compare with other similar products, this particular charger has 4 batteries with a very good battery capacity, while others have only 2. Despite favorable Amazon ratings, users have reported rapid battery drainage, problems with charging 1 out of 4 batteries, and concerns about the dock station overheating. Moreover, it's recommended to keep the device out of the bedroom due to its excessively bright LEDs.